Hi there, I'm Rachel from Away with the Fairies, and this is video number 2 in a series that we're making of fairy garden mini makes. So over the course of a few videos, we're going to show you some really simple DIY makes that you can do with the kids, and then at the end we're going to put them together in a lovely fairy garden. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fairy garden sign, just with some simple things that you might have at home. Some lollipop sticks. These are coloured ones you can get from a craft store, online, or just normal lolly sticks after you've eaten a nice lolly. Twigs from the garden, pegs, some glue, some clear glue, and scissors, and that's literally all you need. Oh yeah, apart from Sharpies, you also need some permanent markers, Sharpies or something similar. So the first type of sign I'm going to show you to make is the peg one. Really super simple. Now these are wooden pegs that you might have at home, and I have painted them in various colours, and then I'm going to take a stick and my Sharpie. So what would we like to put on our fairy garden sign? Where would the fairies like to go? Let's have a think about that. Maybe a wishing well, or a magic pond, or a troll cave. It really is up to you. So think about some magical places that you might like to direct the fairies to in your fairy garden. So you take your marker pen and then you write on the peg where you would like to send the fairies to. So let's see, firstly, I would like them to go to the magic wishing well. Do think about the direction of the peg. So I've got the wishing well going that way, and I want the next one to go in the opposite direction, so that when we put the sign together it looks a bit better. So we've got wishing well, and then where next? I've got a good idea. Unicorn stable. Now don't worry if your handwriting's not great, maybe you can get an adult to help. Lastly, I'm going to pop Trollbridge. Next I'm going to show you how to put it together. Super simple. Just get your 3 pegs and pop them onto your stick. Just put them far enough in so that the pegs don't slip down. Voila! And then you can just stick it in the ground in your fairy garden. So next I'm going to show you how to make a different kind of fairy garden sign, this time with lollipop sticks and a twig and Sharpie and glue. I've trimmed down the lolly sticks. You might want to get an adult to help you with that because it can be a little tricky. So again, I'm going to write 3 different destinations for my sign. These fairies are going to go to Dragon Cave. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? So the fairies might want to pop to the shops. We're going to direct them to the fairy village. So we want this going in the other direction because you don't want all your signs going the same way. And all the fairies need to know where the fairy post office is. Now I'm going to put the sign together. So you've got your 3 lollipop sticks and your stick, and I'm just going to get some clear glue. Just a blob of this contact glue. Try not to get too messy. Leave your sign for a little while for the glue to dry. I recommend about half an hour before you try picking it up. Now I'm going to add our fairy garden signs that we made earlier into the fairy garden. Really simple, just push them down into the ground.